Let's take a look at a different question where we're asked to do the opposite. Let's suppose here in this particular problem, you know the area under the curve. So we know the shaded area under this bell-shaped curve, but we don't know the z-score or the critical value, or we can just call it a value, right? We don't know the value that separates an area of 0.05 on the right side of this normal distribution. So the function that you would use on your calculator to find this unknown value is inverse norm. So again, to get to inverse norm, you would press the second button, vars, which will get you to your distributions, and then you're going to choose inverse norm. If you have an older version of the graphing calculator, again, it will not tell you what to type in, but I will tell you what to type in. So the first the first input value that you type in is you always type in the area that is to the left of the value that you're trying to find. So we're trying to figure out what this marking is that separates an area of 1 minus the area on the right. So 1 minus 0.05, which you already know is 0.95. But you don't even have to do the mental math. You can literally type into your calculator 1 minus the area on the right. Okay, so the first input value that you type in is you always type in the area that is on the left of the value that you're trying to find. Follow this by the comma symbol. And then the next thing that you're going to type in, again, is your mean followed by the standard deviation. So here the mean is 0, so comma, standard deviation is 1, and then close your parentheses and press enter. And then here you can see that that critical value or that value is 1.64, and that's the value that separates an area of 0.05 on the left. Okay, I hope that helps. Real quickly while we're here though, so just like I said before, your calculator will do the mental math for you, but if you want it to, so I'm going to delete that first input value since you know that 1 minus 0.95, or excuse me, 1 minus 0.05 is 0.95, you can just type in 0.95, okay, and you'll see your calculator will give you the same answer, okay? So you can do it like that as well. I hope this helps.